Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So in this video, I'm going to share a very important strategy and its adjustment. So today morning in our Telegram group, we posted a very simple strategy, which is the iron fly. Iron fly is not big rocket science. Anyone can deploy a iron fly. But what we are trying to do here is we have deployed the strategy before an event. So what is the event? So if you are aware of the US market, there is a very important event today, that is today 11:30 p.m. India time. Federal Reserve is going to come out and they are going to increase the interest rate. Whether they are going to increase the interest rate by 75 basis points, which is already factored in, or maybe 100 basis point, which is not factored in, we'll talk about that later. Now, what is the strategy? The strategy is very simple. We deployed a iron fly strategy. Now, this strategy, what happens is, you know what is iron fly, right? I don't have to talk much about iron fly. It is nothing but selling a short straddle and going long in strangle, right? So if you see here, what I have did is 41,300 call option and 41,300 put option I have sold. At the same time, 42,200 call option and 40,400 put option is going to be the hedges, right? So as of now, today morning when I shared this strategy, I'll show you in our Telegram group. By the way, if you want, you can join our Telegram group. We have a very vibrant Telegram group where we discuss many things about stock market related thing. So this is the strategy. This is the thing which I have shared today morning. I shared it maybe around 9 o'clock. So 9:20 somewhere I shared this strategy, right? So this is having a break even of range of around lower break even is around 40,825 and higher break even is around 41,753. Now, why I have to take this strategy? It is very simple. Now you know that since we are going into an event, India VIX has drastically shot up, right? So this is the India VIX chart. So if you see today alone, India VIX shot up more than 3.29%, or it is almost near 17. Now tomorrow when this event is going to finish, or when the event is over, we might see India VIX dropping and we may end up in making good profit, or whatever strategies you have taken will end up in profit. But that is hypothetical. We really don't know. When there is a binary event like this, we will have to be very careful, and we really don't know what is going to happen. If there is any really positive news, or if there is any negative news, or if the market has taken any positive news as negative news or negative news as positive news. This is a binary event. We really don't know what is going to happen, right? So what is going to be the action? What we are going to do in terms of managing this strategy? I'm sure market is not going to open between 40,825 to 41,700 or 800 levels, right? Maybe there should be a fluctuation. So I designed a strategy, deploy this strategy, and I have a bearish stance. Now, if you see the US market, US future, this is the US future. As I talk to you, US futures are all almost flat or almost in the red, right? So this is the US future. It is almost flat, and even the European markets are all in the red. Let's say it's kind of flat, okay? Now, what is going to happen? Now, as I am predicting that the markets may go down, I deployed the strategy and I made some adjustment to this strategies also. So what is the adjustment? That is very simple. I'll show you. All I have done is made some squared off some unwanted legs, or cut some losses, and made some other adjustments which I'll show to you. Now, this is the strategy itself. It is not going back. Let me try it again. Or we can do one more thing. Yeah, this is the adjustment we have done here. Okay, now once I have done the adjustment, this strategy is looking like this, something like this. Now, what will happen is, if there is any negative news, or if the market gaps down tomorrow, I don't have to worry. Even if it goes to Bank Nifty, hypothetically speaking, even if Bank Nifty goes to maybe 35,000 or 30,000, it's not going to go. Let's say it is going, okay. Even if it goes to 30,000 or 35,000, I don't have to worry about the market because I am covered. If the market opens at the same place where it has closed today, that is around 41,200 or 41,100 levels, I'll also be safe. In fact, I will make the most profit. Now, if you see here, the most I can make out of the strategy is around 58,000. If at all the market opens flat tomorrow, that we really don't know, we'll have to see tomorrow what is going to happen, or we'll have to see what is going to happen tonight. So if the market opens flat today, I don't have to worry. If flat tomorrow, I don't have to worry. I will make the most. If the market at some point of the time goes down also, I don't have to worry. I am protected. Where I will face the problem is if the market reverses and goes on the opposite direction, or Bank Nifty reverses and goes on opposite direction. Let us say, there is some Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell is coming out and giving some dovish statement. Let's say he's saying he's not going to increase the interest rate in future or something like that. Okay, then market may take this as a positive news and market may go on the higher side. It may start rallying. At that time, I'll be facing a problem. So, if the market opens flat, I don't have problem. If the market opens down, goes down also, I don't have problem. If the market goes on the higher side, I have problem. So, out of three scenario, two scenarios is in favor of me, and one scenario is not in favor of us. That we will see how we can manage or what we can do when things pan out, right? Now I have a buffer till 41,500. That that this when you see the open interest analysis, you can see that smart money has returned. Don't worry, I will talk about the adjustment. For now, I am just showing this thing, Bank Nifty Bank Nifty weekly open interest, right? Now if you see here, what people have done here is they have returned significant calls in 41,500. So 41,000, let's assume 41,000 is going to be the exact resistance. 41,000 is going to be the resistance for tomorrow, right? So what our strategy has done, or what we have managed to do, is that our break even, we have managed to keep our break even above 41,500. I'm talking about Bank Nifty. So if the market sustains below 41,500, I don't have to worry. And I think Nifty also, what is happening. Nifty, I think maybe it is scattered everywhere. I think people are writing 81,000, 82,000, 18,200, 18,300. So it is scattered all the way. So we'll forget about Nifty for now. We'll go to the strategies. I'll go to the strategies and I'll show you what we have done, so that our strategy can come into profit, or what are the things we have done to eliminate the risk on the downside. At the same time, how we are going to manage in case the market moves on the higher side, right? Now, what I did is around 2 o'clock or 2:15, once the market was coming down. So if you can see this chart, once the market started, when Bank Nifty took out this today's low of 41,300. So it was taken out around 2 o'clock, right? Not even 2 o'clock, before 12:30. So 12:30 we went to this strategy and we booked a loss. We exited 41,300 put option. So you remember this 41,300 call option and 41,300 put option I have returned, and at the same time 42,200 call option and 40,400 put option I have used as a hedge, right? Now as the market was going down, what is going to happen. 41,300 call option will be in profit. At the same time, 41,300 put option will be in the loss, because from in the money, put option is going deep in the money, and from in the money or at the money, call option is going out of the money. So obviously call options will be having profit and will be in profit, and put option will be in loss because the markets are coming down. Now I squared off 41,300 put option and I sold 42,200 call option. This is the one, right? I sold 40,600 put option. 41,300 put option was the original leg. I squared off that leg and I have written 40,600 put option. This is the very simple strategy, right? This is no rocket science. You can also try doing this if the market keeps on going on the downside. If your perspective about the market is directional, if you believe that the market is going to go on the downside, you are going to be in good profit. But at the same time, what will happen if the market gaps up? That you will find out tomorrow, whether if the market is going to gap down tomorrow or whether the market is going to gap up tomorrow. We really don't know that. My perspective is that there might be a slight bearish. One thing is that you have to remember this 40, if you see the charts, if you see this one, 41,500 has been very high resistance. In yesterday's video or day before yesterday's video also, I told this is the second or third time there is a rejection. If you see here, this 41,500 is acting as a very good support zone. So the probability of going down or rejecting in that area is very high. Second thing, if we are getting positive news in terms of US Federal Reserve, for me positive news means if there is any bad news in the US market, if the market comes down or if the market gaps down, I am going to be safe. If the market is opening flat also, I am going to be safe. Okay. Now this is the very simple strategy which we have done. I'll summarize it again. 41,300 put option I have exited and I have sold 40,600 put option, right? So if the market opens or closes, expires between 40,600 to 41,500 tomorrow, 40,500 tomorrow, I'll be in good profit. If the market slips below 40,300 or 40,000, let's say 35,000 also, I'll be in profit. I'll be in a minor profit of around 8,000, something like that. So this is a very simple strategy. Now you have to understand the other dimension also of this strategy. Since I took this strategy, what happened is, had I been with this strategy without doing any adjustment also, I'll be in profit, right? This iron fly will be in profit. Even if I had not done any adjustment also, I'll be in profit. How much I'll be in profit? I'll be in a profit of around 5,128. Since I have done this adjustment, this 5,128 has turned into how much? Around not this one. Let me not this one. Let me this one. Yeah, this one. So since I have done the adjustment, this trade has given a profit of around 9,000 or 10,000 rupees. So had I not done any adjustment, today morning around 12:30, the strategy would be in a profit of just 5,000. Since I have made some adjustment, it has given a profit of around 10,000. So there I have made just 0.75% return in this trade. Since I have done this very little adjustment, I have made 1.5% return. So this is the difference between normal iron fly and how to simply adjust this iron fly, right? I hope you understand how this concept works, and let us see how tomorrow things pan out. And other things I don't have to talk about. Tomorrow is a very important. Even this strategy also, it is very limited strategy. I have taken only 10 lots. We really don't know what is going to happen. So you have to watch the US markets today night. If there is any positive news or negative news, then we will decide what is going to happen, right? So this is about the strategy. And you know what is happening in the market. I don't have to talk much about the market. Let us see if US futures, and in fact I'll tell you one more thing. This strategy was shared to our mentees in our mentorship program, and many have made more than 4 or 5% return on investment in this strategy. This strategy was deployed yesterday and today we exited, and I don't want to risk them because today is a very major event. So I told we'll just square off. They made super excellent profit and they went home with a good profit today, right? And let me see if this FII data has come or not. FIA data, I think FIA would have been flat today. They would have not done anything much. Anyway, let me check it for you. I think FIA data has not yet come. This is yesterday's data, so nothing much. This is about it. If you have any doubts about this strategy, or if you have want to comment about this strategy, of course you can come to our Telegram group, and you can join our Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.